Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Be honest, have you felt Sunday operates on a completely different clock? You wake up, blink, and it's somehow already 2 p.m. If you experience this every single weekend, you are not lazy and you are not uniquely disorganized. You simply lack a Sunday system. Most people treat Sunday as a totally unstructured, do-nothing day, assuming that zero plans equal maximum relaxation. But doing absolutely nothing without a clear boundary actually creates cognitive chaos. When you remove a chronological container, your free time expands into an exhausting void. A day designed for recovery quietly turns into 12 hours of wasted potential. The standard unstructured timeline leaks hours from the moment you open your eyes. You wake up a little late, scroll on your phone in bed to catch up on the week, and suddenly half the daylight is gone before you have put on shoes. Then comes the outdoor trap. You step out for a quick 1-hour errand, picking up a few groceries or visiting a friend. Without a hard stop scheduled, that single hour drifts into a 6-hour marathon. You return home exhausted as the sun goes down. This directly triggers the Sunday evening panic. You stare at the ceiling, realizing you accomplished very little, right as your brain serves up sudden memories of pending tasks, morning meetings, and unread emails. To cope with the stress of an unproductive day, you stay up late scrolling or watching videos. You purposely disrupt your sleep cycle to claw back the free time you feel you didn't properly enjoy. This graph illustrates the true cost of that lost Sunday. When you enter Monday morning tired and unprepared, you spend the day playing catch-up, which inevitably pushes your Monday workload into Tuesday. This ripple effect compromises your focus for 48 hours before your week has even gotten moving. The Sunday system replaces those time leaks with specific boundaries, starting with a non-negotiable morning anchor. You must set a fixed wake-up time between 8 and 9 a.m. Yes, even on the weekend. By preventing the morning phone scroll and getting out of bed by 9 a.m., you instantly reclaim 3 highly usable hours that would have otherwise vanished. This vertical timeline represents a full day, and the next step is dividing your newly reclaimed day into 3 functional blocks through block scheduling. The morning block is strictly designated for chores, laundry, and personal tasks. Once those are cleared, the afternoon block opens up entirely for rest and leisure. But the afternoon block contains a specific boundary, the 2-hour fun rule. Whether it is shopping, seeing a movie, or hanging out, outings are capped at 2 hours. Enforcing a strict time limit on your leisure activities prevents the 6-hour exhaustion trap. You protect the rest of your daily timeline from being entirely consumed by a single errand. The 4th step of the system activates as the afternoon ends. You establish a dedicated wind-down window anchored precisely between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. The rules for this window are absolute. No late outings, no heavy work. Just light tasks, eating dinner, and relaxing quietly at home. This period is a biological necessity. It forces your brain to downshift from the highly active weekend mode into a calm, physiological recovery state. A deliberate wind-down clears the lingering weekend adrenaline from your nervous system, allowing you to actually feel tired and protecting your upcoming sleep cycle. With your nervous system settled, you enter step 5, executing a preemptive strike on Monday morning by preparing for it on Sunday night. This requires 3 quick micro-actions. Lay out your clothes for the next morning. Write down your top 3 tasks for work. Open your laptop for exactly 5 minutes to check your calendar so you know your first meeting. This chart compares morning anxiety based on preparation. When waking up and immediately figuring out your first move, your brain experiences a massive spike in stress. By answering those questions the night before, you eliminate decision fatigue, dropping perceived anxiety by 50%. You do not find Monday morning momentum by simply waking up feeling refreshed. You artificially manufacture that momentum the night before. The final step, step 6, requires strict sleep discipline. You are asleep by 11 p.m., no late-night scrolling in bed, and absolutely no random video binges. To assist with this, you can apply a mind reset bonus before you close your eyes. 5 minutes of deep breathing or journaling to process the day and eliminate any final traces of Sunday dread. Take a look at your own weekends. Which unstructured habit steals the most time from your Sunday timeline? Let me know in the comments. The reality is that Sunday is a full 24 hours, just like Tuesday. It is never inherently short. It only feels like a fraction of a day because it is entirely formless. Applying a rigid architecture to your Sunday transforms your weekend, and
I want to leave you with this final, truly powerful realization. The problem is not Monday. It's how you prepare for it. Monday is really just a day on the calendar. It holds absolutely no inherent power over you. The anxiety simply comes from stepping into it unprepared and unbalanced. Change your preparation, and you fundamentally change how you experience your entire week. Thank you for watching this explainer. As you head into your next weekend, I want you to ask yourself something. Are you going to let Monday steal your Sunday, or are you finally going to take your time back? Keep prioritizing your peace of mind.